Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianda. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. As you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be doing a Pride inspired makeup look. As you guys know from the past years, I've done rainbow, bisexual, pansexual, and now we are going to be doing transgender. Just a disclaimer, I am not transgender. I do not want to see a conspiracy video of me 10 years from now talking about how I might be transgender, because I am not. Trust me. I am not. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup video, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I just got finished putting on all of the, what do you call this? The base, the prep, the foundation look. So this was definitely a trial and error for me because I decided to switch palettes and use the Brat Makeup Revolution for the pink. However, as you guys can see, it does look a little pale and I just didn't like the way that looked against the teal. So I switched palettes back to the Avani Greg and used the Maddie I Don't Like, which I think the pink looks a little better. And even though I didn't replicate the exact same colors as the flag, you can still kind of get the gist based off of the placement of the colors, but I just want to let you guys know that. And I still think it turned out really cute.
We brought together 7 gay men.
I'm gay.
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 I'm good.
One is a liar. So the liar
Oh, it's such a coincidence that I'm watching this and it's called 6 gay men versus 1 straight
The
man.
liar survives.
Literally, it's Pride Month. Okay.
Maybe the clothes just like very, I want to say bland.
What? I really do like it because low-key it looks like a reflection, kind of like, you know, like a shiny kind of thing, like a little effect. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye and then I'll be back. So stay tuned. This looks so good, guys. Or am I just exaggerating? I don't know. I love the glitter and how it just like glams out into this pink and this white. It looks like a freaking animated like cartoon. Like this, I don't know how to even explain it to y'all. I gotta find a picture, but it just looks so good. And I really like how sharp the eyeliner is too. And I did really good with the inner corner. Purr.
Let's get the bell. Purr.
This looks good, okay? This looks really good.
And gender in itself is something we get to choose.
This is cute. Oh my god. Okay, literally, I'm feeling myself. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below with some requests or just your thoughts of this makeup look, and see you guys next week. Bye.